Welcome children, this is your social class. Today we are going to study a new lesson. The lesson name is Our Agriculture. So we have already know that agriculture is the important occupation and also important occupation in our India. The important occupation is farming, isn't it? So what is the agriculture? Tell me children, what is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land. Cultivation of land. ഭൂമിയിൽ വിളവെടുക്കുന്നതാണ് എന്ത്? agriculture, the cultivation of land. So children, it also includes, so only agriculture means verum farming മാത്രമാണോ? No, it's include horticulture, then livestock rearing, fishing. These are everything is include agriculture. Okay, so in agriculture provide food for people and raw material for industries, isn't it? Agriculture endu provide cheyunu? Agriculture provide what? Provides food for people and the raw material for industries. Okay, and more than 2/3 of Indians are farmers. In our India, 2/3 of the peoples are in farmers. It make agriculture the Indian occupation in our country. Adugondana we are telling in our India the important occupation is agriculture, or important occupation is farming. Okay, we are telling that is it's make agriculture the main occupation in our country. So the types of crop, which are the types of agriculture? Okay, so in India has a favorable climate and good irrigation facilities and good fertile land. Everything is here. That's why also most of the crops are growing here. Okay, so India has a favorable climate, fertile soil, good irrigation facilities to grow many crops. So these all crops are grown here. These crops also dividing to, that is cash crops and food crops. Okay, cash crops and food crops. So let us see which are the cash crops and which are the food crops. Okay, so what is food crops? Tell me children, which are the food crops? Food crops means the crops which are grown to be eaten. So what is food crops means? The crops which are grown to be eaten. ഭക്ഷണത്തിനായിട്ട് വിളവെടുക്കുന്ന കൃഷികൾ, അതിനായിട്ട് വിളവെടുക്കുന്ന crops. Which are they? That is wheat, rice, millet, jowar, bajra. These are the things that are in food crops. Okay, so food crops means the crops which are grown to be eaten. It's called food crops. So these are called food crops. Examples of food crops are rice, wheat, millet, pulses, etc. So rice and wheat is the main food item in our India. Okay, so which is the main important food item is rice and wheat. Okay children, so listen children, and which are the important cities are and which are the important states are cultivating this all things? Let us see children, നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം ഏതെല്ലാം സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിലാണ് കൂടുതലായിട്ടും ഈ ക്രോപ്സുകൾ കൾട്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So look at your textbook, you can see one column is there, one map is there, that is rice. We can see the first one is rice. The climate condition is they need hot and wet climate, and also most of the cities are cultivating, that is, look at the blackboard, the rice is cultivating West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, which are the important states they are cultivating rice? That is West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. Okay children, and the next one is wheat. Wheat also one of the food item, food crops. So in wheat, in which states they are cultivating more? That is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan. These are the important states they are cultivating this wheat. Okay, so wheat also one of the food crops. Okay, third one is millet. In millet, which are the states they are cultivating? That is Maharashtra, Telangana, Gujarat, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Okay, so these are the places or these are the states they are cultivating these important food crops. Okay, so you want to study this one, which are the states are they are cultivating more food crops and all. Okay children, and in Uttar Pradesh one of the important thing is there. Dash is the main producer of wheat and sugar cane. That is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, wheatum sugar caneum produce ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ആണ് ഏത്? Uttar Pradesh. Okay children, that is important thing is that. And the next one is cash crops. What is cash crops? The crops which are grown to be used in industries for sale in the market. Okay, the industries, these cash crops are grown to be അവരെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നു എന്തിനു വേണ്ടി? To in industries for sale in the market. Okay, so these crops are called cash crops. So you want to study what is food crops and what is cash crops. Okay children, and you want to study the examples also. So which are the examples of cash crops? That is important main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea and coffees. These are the important cash crops. Okay children, so what is the difference between cash crops and food crops? The food crops are grown to be eaten. At the same time, cash crops are to be grown to be used in industries for sale in the market. Okay, this is the difference between food crops and cash crops. Okay children, and the important things are sugar cane. Sugar cane is produced to make jaggery and sugar. Okay, second, jute is to make bag and carpet. Cotton is used to make cloth. Tea and coffees are popular drinks. Coffee powder is made from coffee beans. Okay, this is also one of the important cash crops. Okay, and the table also you can see in your textbook in which are the states are they are grown more. That sugar cane, jute, cotton, tea, coffee, everything you can see there. The coffee, the climate is hot and wet. The coffee is mostly they are cultivating the states were grown there: Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay, in our then Munnar, Wayanad, in that states we can see that what tea factories, okay, tea garden we can found there. Okay, so that's why also the coffees also we can see the states, one of the states is our Kerala. Okay children, the next one is you can see the checkpoint in your textbook. So the fill in the blanks first question. The cultivation of land is called dash, that is agriculture. Most people in India are dash farmers. Wheat is a dash crop. Wheat is a food crop. Then jaggery is made from it's made from sugar cane. Fifth one, dash is the main producer of wheat and sugar cane. That is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and the next important is agricultural production. That means since in independence, what are the our production is our total agricultural production is increased. So what are the reasons? So our total agricultural production has increased since independence. So what is that? Some important points are there. That is also third question answers. Everybody want to study that points. The first one is use of better quality seeds. Okay, അത് ഇൻക്രീസ് ആവാനുള്ള കാരണം എന്താണ്? First one is use of better quality seeds. Second one is more area has been brought under irrigation. Okay, they got more broad areas for cultivation. Third point, use of fertilizers and pesticide. Fertilizers and pesticide. What do you mean by pesticides? Yes, pesticide, a substance sprayed on crops to keep away the insects. Insects mattum varadirikkan they spread one the chemical things. Okay, that is pesticides. Fourth one is use of tractors and other modern agriculture machineries. Okay, so these are the things is increase the agriculture production. So which are the 4 points? First one is use of better quality things. Second one is more area has been brought under irrigation. Third one is use of fertilizers and pesticides. Fourth one is use of tractors or other modern agriculture missionaries. Okay, so read your textbook, children. So these are the important question answers. 3 answers are the difference between food crops and cash crops. Then which are the important things are followed or increase the agricultural production. So read your textbook proper, study this all. Okay, children. Thank you.